Hello my dear creative friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. Today we are going to make this beautiful L'Oreal beads earring which doesn't look like handmade at all. So I hope that you will enjoy this tutorial, and if you like this video do give it a thumbs up. And as you know, my channel is new here on YouTube. Your one subscription will really help me a lot in growing out my channel on this platform. So do hit the subscribe button so that I can also bring amazing jewelry making videos like this in the future. And now let's start. The material required is golden chain, L'Oreal bead. I have taken pastel green L'Oreal, teardrop beads. These are Laria or sparkle, we can say. Lock beads, earring dangles, and the basic material, that is cutter. And so first of all we will cut this chain in a small part. So you can see this the design of this chain is in loops. So we'll take 12 loops. We find this end. So we will take 12 loops by measuring. So here I am completing 12, and the 13th loop I will just open with the help of plier like this, and we'll throw this one. I will take this for our earrings. We'll keep it for a side for a while. Now I'm taking this Laria and we'll divide it in two, and we'll cut this from the middle using the cutter. Now I'll insert one lock bead in this. It's very small. So the lock bead enhances the look of earring, and also it helps to prevent this teardrop bead from falling like this. And now we will add 15 L'Oreals from this, but initially we will add 14 L'Oreal beads, and for the last one there is a catch that I'll show later. So first of all we'll insert 14 L'Oreals. Okay, so now we have inserted 14 beads, and for the last one you can see that the whole of this L'Oreal is quite bigger than this. So there are lots of chances that this bead will come out of this chain. So we will pinch it to make a little, and we will make a half or maybe less than that, like this. So you can see I have made this hole later. And now we will insert this L'Oreal in these other beads. This is our 15th L'Oreal. There is a high probability that this won't come out. Now carefully we will attach this design to our chain. So you can see there are you can see the loops of this chain are open. So we'll pinch them with the help of plier from the both sides. See, this hole is okay. Now very carefully we'll add okay. So you can take the help of plier always to wrap this around. Okay, so as you can see, I have perfectly wrapped this wire here, and now the last one is tangle. I have taken these tangles. I'll open one part of it and we'll insert it in the chain and we'll use it correctly. So this our earring is ready. Don't you think it's a very quick recipe, and they look very elegant, and also they don't look like we have handmade it. So do let me know in the comments below, how do you like this video, this design of the earring. So if you have liked this jewelry pattern, do like to the video and let me know in the comments below what would you like to see next. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do press the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.